Once we're able to get the Affirmative Action Bill passed, a lot of advantages will come through. One, appointments that are currently being made by the executive into ministerial appointments, ambassadorial, public sector high-level appointments, appointments even at any level will now be dictated by the percentage that the president must appoint between women and men at any given time. 40% is going to be the case. If you look, it's not only 40% in the cabinet or in the ministerial executive. No, it has to be 40% of chief directors, 40% of directors in the public and civil service, 40% in every public service. That is going to lead to systemic change in terms of leadership, and that is positive discrimination. We've been discussing negative discrimination the whole of today. The bill is expected to bring about positive discrimination in favor of women who have suffered historical discrimination. That's the way to go. Violence against women. These are issues that should not be allowed to continue. What we're doing currently as a commission is the Access to Justice project, which is targeted at elderly women alleged to be witches in the northern regions of Ghana. We have just finished a baseline study which has been validated, and it's to be printed, and we're going to go all out to educate people on it. Now, what is so different about this baseline? The difference is that we talk about the attacks on witches and the fact that we should go, we should take them before the law courts and the rest. But when you go to the law courts, all the police and the Attorney General's office can do is to prefer charges of assault. It is not about a particular charge that is about witchcraft practice, soothsaying, and the attendant revelations that lead to the death of these people. So instead of using the normal criminal offenses under the criminal code, we have provided a body of evidence to convince Parliament and any other person who is interested in evidence-based decision-making that there is a lot going on, and then there's a need for a criminal amendment bill targeted at proscribing, one, the practice of putting or identifying women as witches that leads to their death because they have to be beaten, as a special offense which is currently being sponsored by 3 members of Parliament.
My message to all women is that surely we can come to the corridors of power, and we should encourage ourselves. We should stop backbiting ourselves, encourage ourselves. We should be determined that one day we shall make it.